Again. Say hi, Tita Pauline.
Hi, Tita Pauline.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I am so proud that my original baby is now 18. I am very happy for you. I'm so sorry that we can't be there to celebrate with you. But always remember that Ate is praying for your happiness. And may all your dreams come true. You turn out to be a very responsible person, a beautiful person inside and out. So always remember, Ate is gonna be here anytime you need me. And this song is for you. Can we sing happy birthday for Tita Pauline? Ready, set, go. Happy birthday